The importance of reliable power supply cannot be overstated. Power systems are the ones that keep our world running. From electricity provided to our devices in our pockets, to our mobile phones, to ocean liners streaming on the oceans, or hospitals providing necessary care, or data centers making sure that our finance systems are running. We cannot sustain our way of life, our way of working without electricity. We need to ensure that we have reliable, sustainable power generation for our economies, our people, and our environment.
As energy demands grow and we move from traditional power generation methods to more renewable power generation methods, where the power is sometimes intermittent, we create complexities of connections and potential disruptions to the grid in the future. This leaves the power generation industry with a huge challenge. We need to produce more power in a reliable way and at the same time decarbonize. There's several critical requirements in the power generation industry. The first one being efficiency and reducing losses in the systems. Typically, power is being produced in thermal power plants and distributed across the grid. Most regions and countries have set up for this type of system. But as we move to renewable sources of energy, we're complicating the systems by adding in new intermittent sources of power. Those sources of power often require conversion into different voltages, different frequencies, and different types of current. Whenever you touch power or convert power, you lose some of it. So it's really important that we focus on improving the energy in our systems and the way we manage and treat and distribute power. So we face challenges in generation, storage, connectivity, and distribution. And wherever you face those challenges, that's where the alternator plays a critical part in stabilizing our grid. The alternator can provide continuous, sustained, reliable power, whether it's connected to the grid, off-grid, in continuous or standby applications.
The alternator is the thing that keeps our electrical grids in sync so that we can add those renewable sources. Alternator is the product that actually make the wind turbine turn in the first phase so that it can start to produce electricity when the wind picks up. Alternator is the product that produces the backup power when the wind dies down and we still need our electricity.
A further critical use for alternators is where there is no grid power available. And often we can supply generator sets for off-grid applications such as mine sites where there's no available grid power, and the alternator works 24/7 to provide power to those sites. Alternators also provide critical standby backup power. We have alternators in banks, the commercial sector, hospitals, and data centers.
Alternator is the unsung hero of our power generation systems. You may not see it, you may not hear it, you may not know about it, but without the alternator, we wouldn't have power. At STAMFORD AvK, we've been 120 years in the forefront of innovation. We've been providing power from industrial revolution to the current digital revolution, providing high-quality products that are reliable, ensuring that we give power when it's needed, where it's needed, 24/7.
We produce a range of alternators from 7.5 kVA up to 11.2 MVA in a range of low, medium, and high voltages, with options for water cooling, air cooling, and robust bearings and filter options where we have arduous applications around the globe.
What makes STAMFORD AvK alternators the best is that we are not just looking at the product. We are looking at the entire life cycle, from engineering, the innovative products, to manufacturing them, delivering, and also the aftercare.
We can provide alternators wherever you are in the world. At the same time, we can maintain those through a wide network of service and distribution channels. As we look to improve our alternators year on year, we look at things like power density and optimizing the use of electrical steel and copper. We look at the length and weight of the alternators and how do we minimize those. We look at efficiency, and efficiency becomes really critical when you think about fuel efficiency and even maximizing the power output from the engine.
We need to make the best out of our fuels. So the alternators really need to be even more efficient so that we can ensure a smooth transition towards our net zero goals.
STAMFORD AvK are committed to supporting our customers in their journey to decarbonise, and we've already demonstrated and been part of projects that decarbonise by using natural gas, HVO and hydrogen, helping bridging the gap as the use of alternative fuels, which are often less energy dense, become more common in our industry.
At STAMFORD AvK, wherever you are on your energy transition journey, we are future ready.
And our world-renowned alternators are going to continue playing a crucial role in powering the world.